Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you have admin rights and a restore point in place. Open Settings, then Apps, or use Control Panel's programs and features to list installed redistributables. Once done, sort by name or publisher to locate entries labeled Microsoft Visual C++ quickly. This reduces risk of removing unrelated runtimes. Make sure to note version numbers like 2015-2019x86 or x64 before you continue, so you can reinstall exactly what you need later. Now you perform the uninstall. Select the precise Visual C++ entry by year and architecture, click Uninstall, and follow on-screen prompts. If a repair option appears, choose Uninstall only when necessary. Repair may fix issues without removal. After each uninstall, reboot if the uninstaller asks. Make sure to repeat for both x86 and x64 versions if present. If multiple apps depend on a runtime, Windows may warn you. Pause and confirm dependencies before proceeding so you don't break other programs. Finish by rebooting and testing the applications that relied on those runtimes. If an app fails to launch, reinstall the exact Visual C++ redistributable version you removed. That restores shared DLLs. If uninstallers fail or system shows repair loops, run the Microsoft Install and Uninstall troubleshooter or use programs and features repair where available. One key troubleshooting tip: if dependency errors persist, restore your system point or reinstall the latest supported VC++ packages for your OS.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.